enjoying the nature. Came down to the Hudson River to have some great workout, and it was actually great. I've never been to this site before. It's it's quite peaceful. And with that being said, this is opening back up. How are you guys getting back into your fitness? How are you guys getting back into your workout? Do you just like go into the gym right away, or do you progress slowly? Like going out to the park or something, running around, going on the trail and everything else. I actually came down to the Hudson River, so that is how I'm getting back in the gym. Did some squats, did some push-ups, and I'm walking back to my room. Hope you guys have an awesome